This is the cruise terminal at Singapore, known as Harbour Front Centre. It is located smack in the middle of a shopping centre, an island resort known as Sentosa, which is linked to the main island via a bridge. You can take a cable car or just walk over and pay a reasonable fee. But what is not well known is that this cruise terminal at Harbour Front is just 15 minutes away from a nature walk in this densely populated island. Just take an overhead bridge across the main road, cross an open car park, and you are at the foot of what is known as Mount Faber. But don't be put off by the misnomer. Singapore does not have high mountains, and Mount Faber is less than 400 feet high. A walk up the steps of this nature walk, known as Marang Trail, will take you away from the hustle and bustle of the cruise center. In less time than you know it, you are at the top of Mount Faber, where you can have a bird's eye view of Singapore. From a sea level to the top of the hill in 45 minutes. That is a good way to enjoy what the different experience the island has to offer. And if you have been on a cruise to Singapore, you may recall seeing cable cars gliding overhead while in port. Well, one end of the cable car station is at Mount Faber, the other being at the island resort of Sentosa. The cable car is one of the attractions at the Jewel Box, which has restaurants and drink outlets for you to relax while enjoying a bird's eye view of the island. And if all the walking has not tired you out, a few more minutes will get you right up to the peak, where the history of Singapore is depicted by a copper tooling display. Walking up another flight of steps nearby will take you to the very top, where you can have a 360-degree view. One attraction at the peak is the Merlion, which is the official icon of Singapore. At the top, to the south, you will see the cable car and the sea. And looking north, you will see the tall residential and office blocks of the city.